Have you ever felt like you said all the right words, all the right things, but somehow people still didn't quite believe you or trust you? Well, it might not be what you're saying. It might actually be how you are showing up. Your body language is communicating something different from your words. Your body language could be silently destroying your credibility and you don't even know it. Welcome to the Speak Like It Matters podcast. I'm your host, Sheila Muskin, and I'm on a mission to help you speak with clarity, confidence, and credibility. Let's get right to it. I want to give you 3 body language mistakes that could be wrecking your credibility without you even realizing it. Here's mistake number 1, shifty eye contact. You know that awkward feeling when you're talking to somebody and they're constantly looking somewhere else except you. And it instantly makes you think, are they lying? Are they nervous? Are they not confident in themselves? Now, here's why this matters. When you don't maintain steady eye contact, you send the message that you're either unsure, untrustworthy, or disconnected, even if that's not what you're trying to communicate or that's not what you're saying. Well, here's how you can fix this. 1, practice holding your eye contact for 3 to 5 seconds at a time before you naturally glance away. If you're speaking to a group, imagine dividing the room into sections and connect with one section at a time instead of frantically looking all over the place. And remember, steady, warm eye contact says, I see you. And also, I believe in what I'm saying. I'm confident in what I'm saying. Mistake number 2, fidgeting with your hands. Nervous hand tapping, ring twisting, messing with your clothes. We've all done it, right? But here's the problem. When your hands look busy, so does your mind. And you look distracted, you also distract your audience. Now, here's why this matters. Unintentional fidgeting steals the focus from your words. People subconsciously start watching your nervous energy instead of actually listening to what you have to say. So ground yourself. Keep your hands purposeful. Use natural hand gestures that align with the words you are saying. And at times, put your hands down or just keep it in a steeple position in front of you. Practice standing tall and still in front of a mirror for 30 seconds to build muscle memory so that you can do that when you step in front of other people. Mistake number 3, shrinking or playing small. You've seen it. Shoulders hunched, head down, body folded inward like they just want to disappear. And guess what? The audience feels that shrinking energy. Now, here's why this matters. When you feel physically, when you make yourself physically smaller, you tell people you don't really believe you deserve to be in the room. And if you don't believe you should be there, then why should they? Here's a fix for this. Own your space. Roll your shoulders back. Stand tall with feet shoulder apart. Imagine there's a string pulling you up from the top of your head. Then take 1 deep breath before speaking to expand your posture and your lungs naturally. Now, not in a stiff way, but in a strong way. And there you have it, my friend. These are the 3 easy ways to fix your body language and start sending the message of a confident communicator. Now, before you go, if you found this helpful, I want you to try it out and also let me know how it goes. You can do that in the comments. And if you want more real-world public speaking strategies that actually work, make sure that you subscribe. Around here, we don't just talk, we speak like it matters. Why? Well, because it actually does. Until next time, my friend.